Sing-sing.
Naungkat mo naman.
Sangkas na kasi Daniel. Ginagawa mo silang lasing yun eh. Dapat sige. Lagi ba yung nakasanglas mo?
Hindi, meron naman po ba't ngayon nakasanglas?
Paano nagpagitara?
Ohos.
Hindi, nagpabago yan. Merong
Ohos.
Ohos mo!
Ohos mo kasi.
Latin yung lasa.
Asa si ABC? ABC!
Nagre-report pa eh.
Boca Grande.
Si Boca Grande. ABC tawag sa kanya sa land bank. Boy Cruz.
Can we hear something from you?
Huh? Later.
Because this is your birthday.
Can we hear something from you also?
You first.
Okay.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are
Who
you,
are
puta?
you?
Who are you?
How did you come into this world and who are you?
Okay, malalim yun ah.
How did I meet you? How do we become friends? You tell us about yourself briefly. Who are you really?
Speech.
How did you come here with intelligence? Where are you?
Puta, natural niya yan. Natural niya yan.
10-10 for yan.
Replay! Palamin ng replay, di mo lang natidinig.
PJ. PJ, magsasabi sa akin.
Okay.
Ikinan siya. Kanya, kante.
Pwede naman
Sino?
malaki.
Si Sinsay?
Malabo lang.
Atixon?
Sabi nga ko di ba?
Bowling.
Ha?
Sa bowling.
Jack.
Player ng bowling.
Sabi nga nun yung yung babae kasi may dalang chihuahua. Punta sa veterinaryo, sabi niya gano'n. Can I have my chihuahua mated with my Saint Bernard? Is it possible? Sabi ng veterinaryo, of course it is. You have a GMA.
That's what I like. Kumatin pa rin. Susubo kita sa pasto.
Sabi ko, ma'am,
Yan, lakas daw
hindi ko pwede magsuot ng hula.
Ang lakas daw mo ng Nigeria.
Bakit? Bakit ako na nakaisipan?
Sige, sila. Wala pa sikat, inuubos nyo na yung bote. Punta kaya nga, pinibilisan namin.
Nabigay ko na siya yung joke na minsan na may bukod. Sabi ni Bunny, he was turning the corner.
Sige, suma siya. Daniel.
Paano nangyari yun? Nakahihin.
Hindi, ito mas maganda to. This goes to show that people are still manly enough. Not like some people I know who have chains and...
Puro senior citizens joke.
Senior citizens joke.
Sabi nung sa senior citizen.